Hello children, do you know who I am? I am your new teacher. My name is Vanita. Do you know which subject I will be handling for you? I will be handling English. And who I am? I am your new English teacher. Teacher of your school, that is Police Public School. How are you people? I think you people are good, doing good. Yay! Do you know what I have in my hand? Yay! This is what? Chocolate. I love to have chocolate. I think you people also love having chocolate. One is not enough for me. Look at these. These are many, right? So this is chocolate and these are chocolates, right? Chocolate, chocolate. One, many. One, many. What is this? This is a glass. This is a glass. What are these? These are glasses. One, many. Glass, glasses. So children, I think you understood. So today's topic of our class is one and many. Yes. What did I say my topic is? Our topic is one and many. One and many. As you can see on the screen, okay, there is one balloon and many balloons. Okay, children, here one more thing we have to understand. One and many is nothing but singular and plural. So let us learn some rules we have to understand when we are changing one noun, that is singular noun, into plural noun. Fine. So here singular and plural noun. Already I said one and many is nothing but singular and plural. Okay. So when there is one noun, then it is called as singular noun. When there are many nouns, more than one noun, then it is called as plural noun. For example, now this is a chocolate. Okay, this is a noun, right? This is a chocolate. So this is a chocolate. One, singular noun. Many, plural noun. One chocolate, that is chocolate, singular noun. Chocolates, plural noun. As you can see on the screen also, apple, apples. One more example we have on the screen. Apple, apples. One apple, singular noun, and many apples. Many apple is nothing. Apples are nothing but plural noun. See children, here when there is only one of a naming word, naming word nothing but noun, both are same, right? One noun or one naming word, it is said to be singular noun. When a noun show more than one, means when there are more than one, okay, it is said to be in the plural form of noun, right? So got it? Yeah. So what is noun also once will revise. What is noun children? Noun is naming word. Noun is name of person, place, animal, things, and even ideas. Isn't it children? So already we have learned this. Just we revised, right? Next, here how to change, okay, how we can change singular noun to plural noun. So I said how we have to change, we are going to learn here. For that we can't, usually children we add s. Usually what we do, usually we add s, but okay, it is not all that. Okay, not only adding s makes all the noun to, all the singular noun to plural noun. There are set of rules that we have to understand. Okay, yes, just now what I said, that not only s, okay, not only adding s makes all the noun, that is all singular noun to plural noun. So here children what we have, can you see on the screen which I marked on red line? s, es, ves or ies. So few words we need to add es, few words we need to add ves, and few words we have to add ies, okay, to make a singular noun to plural noun. Okay, fine. So here already you can see on the board, I'm to see on the screen, sorry. So what we have here, okay, we have birds, okay, we have birds, one singular bird, and yeah, here we have bird, and what we have added here, yes, right, to make bird to birds, singular to plural, what we had added here, only s. When we say pen, what we have added here, yes. So here also s. Okay, this is the case, this is the noun where we need to add only s and change a what, singular noun to plural noun. So now we have the bird and many, one and many, bird and birds. So this concept we understood. Now what all the rules we have to follow, where we have to add es, where we have to add ves, and where we have to add ies. Okay, yes, what I said, every time adding s doesn't make a singular noun to plural noun. So what you have to do, so we have to even we'll add es, okay, even we'll add es to make a noun to a singular noun to plural noun. So in which cases, where okay, which words, that is which nouns we have to add es. So here you can see this s, x, o or sh or ch, what are these? Okay, this is nothing but any word, okay, any noun which is ending with s, okay, listen carefully, any noun, singular noun which is ending with s, x, o, sh, ch and ss. Okay, any word, singular noun is ending with s, x, o, sh, ch and ss. There we will add es. For example, bus, yes, so it is ending with s, here we will add es, so bus, buses. Now sh, box, boxes, so it is ending with x, so es. Church, so when we say church, okay children, churches, it is ending with what? Yes, it is ending with ch, so here we are going to add es. In the same way, classes, so you have double s there, so here also we are adding es. Potato, when we say potato, here it is ending with o, so here also we add es. So hence any word, any noun which is ending with s, there will add es. Any word which is ending with x, there will add es. Any word which is ending with o, okay, also we add es. Any noun which where it is ending with sh, there also we are adding es. So ch likewise and ss likewise, there also we are going to add es. Okay, so this is one rule already we had understood, s, adding es. Then next one more, here we have, now look at this pair of words. So here we have a pair of words, okay, what you can see here, these words are ending with f or else fe. Okay, so the words which are ending with f or fe, words in the sense you have to go for nouns, okay, the noun, singular nouns which are ending with lf, I mean to say f or fe, there what we need to do, see in the last you see f or fe at the end has changed to vs. F we need to cut, and add ves, so that's why we have wol. So instead of f, what did we add? Ves. So this singular noun is now turned to plural noun. Wolf, wolves. Knife, likewise, knives. Okay. Scarf, scarves. Loof, loofs. Thief, thieves. The same way, wife, wives. Life, lives. So this is the another set of another rule we need to follow, where any noun, if it is ending with f or fe, then we have to cut f or fe and add what? Ves. Okay, we have to add E. Yes, yes. So next, okay. So this was one rule. Next, here you can see candy, candies. Okay, okay. You like eating candies, right? So one candy is not enough. Like one chocolate is not enough for me now. Okay. So in the same way here, any noun, okay, which is ending with y, there we have to add ies. For example, family, families. What did we cut here? Yes, exactly, we have cut wife, we have cut wife and y, and we have added ies. And here also lily, lilies, cut y, add is. Cherry, cherries. Candy, candies. Candy, candies. And lady, ladies. But one more thing I just want to tell you here, children, is that here, okay, here, one second, here what you have here before y, l. L is what, consonant or vowel? L is what, consonant or vowel? L is consonant. So in that case we'll add ies. Otherwise, okay, otherwise, for example, if you take boy, okay, before y what do you have? We have vowel. So before y, if we have vowel, then we write only, we'll add only s. Okay, so any word which is ending with y, you have to see the word letter before y. If it is consonant, then ies. If it is vowel, only s. Got it? Yeah. So we'll move next. Yeah. So this is the one thing we understood when we are the word ending with y, what we need to do. So one more rule we have here. See, children, few words are few words are less as such that there we completely change. No adding es or no adding ies, cutting something, adding something, nothing like that. Okay, here we have child, and there next to that what we have? Children. So this is, child is a singular noun, children is a plural noun. Okay, singular, plural, complete thing will change. Spelling itself got changed, right? So see, every time we say children's, already children's, children is a plural, you should not add yes to that and say children's. So you have to say children, plural. Many child there, many of them, then children. Okay, goose, geese. So what is goose? Just like a duck, it appears. Goose, geese. Singular of goose is what? Geese. Mouse, mice. Sheep, sheep only, no sheeps. Okay, sheep, sheep. Deer, deer only, no deers. Okay, ox, oxen. Man, and it is man. So once again, child, children, goose, geese, mouse, mice, sheep, sheep, deer, deer, ox, oxen, man and man. So this is all about one and many, singular, plural. So I think I hope you people understood this rules, okay, of changing. So here we have certain words altogether, okay, certain noun I can say, singular as well as plural. So go through it, children. Okay, I think it is not visible. In one more class I'm going to just share this and read it out for you. Okay, next what we have here, mistakes are proof that you are trying. So never take step backward trying anything. You have to try. Mistake happens, but you can definitely learn by trying. Without trying, nothing can be learned, right? So new thing we learned. Yes. So in the next class, few words I'll read it out for you, children. Singular nouns and plural nouns. So until then, respect your elders. Be good. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay. Thank you.